Alam niyo ba yung pinaka-worst na laging paulit-ulit na pagkakamali ng maraming tao is yung marirealize mo lang yung worth ng isang tao kapag wala na. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Yun ay isang malaking fact na paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa maraming tao. At hindi tayo nadadala. Walang kadalaan kasi paulit-ulit na kasalanan na makikita mo lang at marirealize mo lang yung worth ng isang tao pag wala na. Hindi ba pwedeng makita mo siya during the time na magkasama pa kayo? Bakit ganun? Mas madalas invisible pa rin yung mga totoong nagmamahal. Just because they have their own flaws. They have this attitude na akala mo ay sobrang worse and toxic na. Pero deep down inside, bago yan naging toxic, naisip mo rin ba kung ano yung ginawa niyo sa kanya? Kung ilan beses pa ulit-ulit niyang nasasaktan, thinking na lahat ng tao sa paligid niya loyal. And then to the point of biglang pinag-uusapan niyo pala sa likod. Betrayal. Lahat ng tao may attitude. No one is perfect. For God's sake, please just say it to yourself. No one is perfect. Everybody has its own attitude. Everybody has its own masamang ugali. Pero bago lumabas yung masamang ugali na yan, nakita niyo ba yung mga maliliit na bagay na nagawa niya para sa inyo? And then afterwards, pag napuno na, sumabog na, it's over. It's over for her. Ayun nga kay Catherine Bernardo, pagod na ako. Pero before she says that word, alam mo rin ba kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan niya? Alam niyo rin ba kung ano yung hirap na tiniis niya? Ano yung mga salita? Ano yung mga dapat hindi at pwede? Or even worst, yung tinitiis niya sa sarili niya pa. Ulit-ulit na tanong, mahal ba talaga ako ng kasama ko? Why is she treating me this way? Or lahat ng goodness tinitingnan niya just to justify that she needs to stay. And then, if it's all gone, boom, hahanapin niyo yung isang tao walang ibang inisip kundi ikaw. Yung isang tao na mas gugustuhin, mas stress siya kaysa mas stress ka. Yung isang taong happiness mo lang yung ginusto. Bakit? Bakit kailangan dumaan sa sitwasyon na gano'n? Kung pwede nyo naman pag-usapan, bakit hindi ka willing to talk? And then all of a sudden, after pagod na, wala na, saka ka makikipag-usap. Is that really what you guys wanted? It's a painful thing that I've been through, even through my past experiences. Tapos kapag may dumating, sinabi mo yung trauma mo, nabaliwala rin lahat ng sinabi mo. Bakit? Kasi babalik ulit sa dati. It's just same old routine. But the only way for you to be understood is just to see. Ang hilig nilang mga invisible. Ang hilig niyong isipin invisible yung mga partners niyo pagkatapos, after. Deserve ba talaga yun? Pag naging dragon na ba, toxic agad? Hindi ba she receives a lot of betrayal from different people, that's why she became like that? Or either she's not even talking bad behind you guys back, and then all of a sudden maririnig niya nagkukwentuhan kayo out of nowhere? Isn't that a point of betrayal too? And then you expect na hindi siya mananakit sa inyo para habang kayo wala nang binigay kundi sakit. Pero ang tanging inisip lang ng taong yun kung okay lang kayo. Is it not enough betrayal? Is it not enough proof that she was a good person before you turn her into a monster? And then when she became the monster, you will hate her forever. And then after you hate her forever, boom, all she wants is just to go away. And when she's gone, that's the only time that you guys will realize, wait, wala na yung nagtatext. Wala na nagsasabi ng ayoko ma-stress ka. Wala na yung magsasabi ng okay lang yan. At higit sa lahat, wala na yung babaeng hindi ka iiwanan kahit napaka-imperfect mo na.